In this video we show how you can take a standard grid component that has a search part where the search part is shown on the page like this, and go from this particular view to a grid that looks like this, where the search part is in a button, and when you click the button you get a little drop down window that contains the search. So you can see I go in and type MA, CA and then hit the search and then click anywhere off it, and then the search window goes away. So what we're going to discuss in this video is how I went from this grid over here where the search part is shown all the time to the grid where the search part is shown in a pop-up window. So let's go back now and take a look at how we did this. So the first thing that we did was we said that this grid uses a master template. So we turned on the master template, and then we specified that our template style is custom. So now let's go take a look at our custom template. So you can see what we've done is, the first thing that we've done is we've put the search part in its own div, and we've given that div an ID of search part. Then here's our grid part, and then above the grid we've put another div that contains an action button, and this action button here is show search. So now let's go look at the definition of this action button. So I'm going to close that down and then scroll down to action buttons over here, and you can see here's my action button called show search. And now let's look at the JavaScript. So if we look at the JavaScript, we can see that we're using one of the actions in action JavaScript called open a pop-up Ajax window. So let's go here and edit this. So here we see that our window type has been set to drop down. We could have also chosen, say, a modal pop-up or a modeless pop-up, but drop down works nicely in this case. And then we've said that the window content is set to the contents of a div. So there are various options here for choosing what gets displayed in the window, but I'm going to choose here contents of a div, and then I've just gone and specified that the div that I'd like to show in this window is, the div ID is search. And as you recall, when we defined our master template, we put the search part in a div with an ID of search. So having done that now, that in fact is all that is required to move that search part from being always visible to being shown in a pop-up Ajax window. So hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much.